Hi everyone and welcome back to the Oh So and So. Alrighty, I've got the small bedroom done, the corner bedroom done, the master bedroom is done, still working on that master bath. I've almost got it painted, finished, but we're kind of like jumping around the house. So I decided to redo the hall since I tore it up. And then while I was at it, I'm like, well, let's just work in the laundry room. Well, while we're at it, let's just do something to the hall bath. So I'm going to turn this around and let you see what I have done. Some of it you probably are like, well, I can't tell anything. But I kind of redid a little bit. I do like it better. It's definitely different. So let me turn this around. Okay, so in the laundry room, since I had took the clothes, the little children's clothes off of this little hook, I added the blue stuff that was left over. And I even redid some of the crates. I took some things out. I know it's kind of hard to believe. And I dusted everything. Oh my goodness, there was so much dust in here. I even put a mask on. Just adding a little bit. That little outfit was in a small bedroom, and I thought, well, that crate is perfect to hang it up. And then I added the old clothespins. I know you saw where I had purchased these little bitty socks from the Four Sisters in Murfreesboro. I put them on a string, sewed it, attached it, brought in some of those baskets, kind of did like a little collage. Moved some items around. And then I found the dryer stick thing. I can't remember what it's called. But I thought, you know what? I'm going to put it up there and then add my old little socks on there. Turned out cute. My stomach. I am hungry. It is time for breakfast. Alrighty. Now, let's go to the hall. Wait. Okay, so I took the gallery wall down. And, yeah, I like it. I kept I guess the lighter blue items in here. Since I've tore up the whole house, I thought, well, let's add the different kind of blues. I took those down from the bonus room. And then I thought, you know what? I like these baskets. Let's add the little bits and pieces of coverlets. I'm not sure how the lighting is going to be. Maybe I'll, hold on. Okay, so I'm at a different angle. I think you can see it better. I don't know. I think it turned out pretty good. Using some of my enamel ware. the ticking material. Kind of keeping with the blues. Looks pretty good. Added a little bit of gray. And the little eggs. Just a little, little surprise there. Okay. And that's what the cabinet looks like with the doors closed. I think I have wrecked the house, literally. I think I've took stuff out of every room to work in here. But I like hanging the baskets on the wall. That's kind of fun. Now for the hall bath. I didn't add a whole lot. I kind of redid a little bit, not much. I had found this piece, which I thought was perfect there. And I think it was for like shaving. The little drawer, you know, adding some of that cute stuff from the corner bedroom. Kind of basically the same. That was upstairs. Oh, and I even added some pictures above the tub. Those are in the master bath. Over here, I didn't really add anything new in here, but I had pulled some of these baskets out of the laundry room. I definitely like them better there. Added some pictures. And I know you saw this piece when I showed the master bedroom that I had found at the thrift store. Love the handles. And just added some, you know, some material. I took the lamp out because I had used it in the small bedroom. I pulled out this from the hallway. Todd kept hitting it, so I thought, you know what? That's it. We're going to put it somewhere else. And I really like to cover the books with the material. Okay, guys, I guess that's it on the hallway, the hall bath, and the laundry room redo. It is cleaned, rearranged, and uncluttered, and definitely thinned out. So now I got to figure out, I've got to go paint and kind of piddle in the rest of the house. So guys, thank you so much for watching this Oh So and So. Rearrange, tear it up, and decorate. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next room.